So, guys, we are filming.
Yeah, because we're not done yet to our house, underground house.
Yeah, so we are building each different houses.
Yeah.
You can see her screen from her account, obvious. And you can see my screen in my account.
So after this, I will go at your house. Don't mind the lag because I'm always lagging and I'm start to record you.
Yeah. And mine kinda goes slow when I walk. It kinda lags. So you guys don't mind those either. Oh my god.
She don't know what to say.
Anyways, you guys, just watch us build. Because
We will just keep quiet. That's our challenge. Be quiet.
it's not challenge, bro.
Okay.
Don't mind
So,
our
guys,
cough. It's not part of this.
Yar.
And
Ano
sabihin mo?
Yar.
Anong naman sabi mo?
Hindi ko alam.
Sinabi mo, so guys.
So guys, ito na pala yung part 1.
Part 2?
Part 1! Gusto ko part 1.
Sige. Anyway.
Kasi, ko alam kung bakit.
Basta part 2 to sa akin, tapos part 1 sa kanya. Kasi,
Huwag mo sabihin! So guys, iha-house tour ko na kayo. Wait lang, labas lang.
Kasi kanina, hindi siya naka-record.
Anyway, so guys, ito na pala yung labas. So mamaya ko na itutud. Hindi ko na ito ipo-cover kasi gagawin ko ito para... Guys, there's a witch. Bes, wala yan na-affect ko sa'yo kasi nakaka-creative ko. So guys, let's house tour now. So this is the living room and kitchen. And this is I don't know what I'm gonna say. So ito nga pala yung bed.
That's
ko.
the bed.
Yeah, so walang living room. Mamaya ko lang gagawin.
Okay.
So ito pa. So dito, naloob ka, may bed ulit. Look. Oh. Tapos may mga suot-suot.
Malamang.
Set. Wait, tignan mo. Eh, dito yun eh.
Okay.
So, ayan. So, wag niyo na to in-mind. Kasi di ako Di kasi ako marunong gumawa. Nagsagdan.
Hagdan?
Kaya
Hindi ka marunong?
Marunong ako.
Hmm.
Pag sa labas. Pero
Okay.
pag daw sa loob ng bahay ko. So,
Okay.
yun lang guys. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung living room. So, i-build ko muna siya.
So, tahimik muna kami, guys.
Yeah. Ano sa i-build?
So guys, I think lalagay ako ng sound dito pag magpanood ako. Kasi guys, di pa ako marunong maglagay ng sound sa ibang part ng video. So mag-try muna ako bago ko to i-post. Okay guys?
So, abang lang kayo guys.
Guys. Pero anyways, di kami nagpo-post na yon, pero sinasabi namin na matagal pa bago
guys, sa
i-post.
Christmas pa kami magpo-post
Oo.
ng mga videos. Or sa 24 or bukas.
I-update na lang namin kayo.
So, stay tuned na lang.
Stay tuned, guys.
Oh, cute.
Guys, narinig niyo yun? Wala yun, guys. Basta may sinabi sa pinapanood ng kuya ko.
Seems suspicious. Your way be like, seems suspicious.
guys, naboboard ako, kaya mag-uusap-usap na lang muna kami.
Be, alam mo ba?
Hindi, joke lang, guys.
Wow.
Magjo-joke lang kami, tapos magpapatawa-tawa.
Ay, ikaw muna mag-joke.
Be,
Ay, alam ko na.
listen, we don't judge.
Quiet edition.
So,
Una.
nadapa ako sa wala, tapos yung mga tao, sinabi ko, ano nadapa ako. AKA, guys,
We listen and we don't judge. So, one time kasi, dati pa ito ng bata ko.
Palamang,
Umiiyak
bata ka
ka-
pa na yun eh.
Umiiyak rin ako sa wala. Umiiyak rin ako sa wala. Kasi
Hindi.
di ko lang maabot. Umiiyak ako.
Lo.
I think so.
So, you guys,
We
it's
listen
nice.
and we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge. Walang ano ka ba? Anyway, so you guys, I'm half of the room because it's night. So I will sleep
First.
yours. Anyways,
Di ba ang ganda? Perfect.
we listen, we don't judge. So you guys, dati, hindi ako marunong gumawa ng roof sa Minecraft. Tapos pinagtawa ako ni Kuya. Pang bully.
We listen and we don't judge. One day, yung 4 years old ako or 5, dati nagkaroon ako ng Minecraft. Lumang version ng Minecraft. Ibang
Craftsman.
Oo, ganon. Tapos, yung una, kala ko madali lang gumawa ng bahay.
Uwe.
Kala ko madali lang. So, ginawa ako. Tapos, yung sa floor na ako na part, di ko magawa. So, ang ginawa ko, pinatong ko na lang.
Malamang, pwede rin yun eh.
Eh, di mataas yung bahay ko.
Uwe.
So, we listen and
Paano
we don't
pag yung second floor?
Abay,
second floor.
we listen and we don't judge.
Okay. So guys,
One day,
nung nasa school ako, nag-uusap yung mga teachers. Tapos, natapon tuloy tubig ko. Tapos, umiyak ako dahil lang natapon. Tapos, yung isang teacher na parang ginagawa niya ako yung parang anak like student. Alam niyo yun, guys. Parang daughter or son like student. Alam niyo yun. Tapos, kinomfort ako. Tapos, kumuha ako ng tubig. Binigyan ako ng pera para pambili ng tubig.
then naka-off yung sa akin, So, pakita ko lang.
So, guys,
We
listen, we don't judge.
So, kasi, one day,
Eyo?
one day kasi, diba, nasa school ako, that time.
Guys.
Tapos, may naalala lang ako.
Ano yung naalala mo? Asawa mo dito?
Hindi. One day kasi, wala, may naalala ako.
Ano?
Natawalan lang ako bigla.
Laugh, suddenly, be like,
Bigla na ako natawa.
di ba guys, ganun yung phrase na laugh suddenly, yung natawa bigla. Pero guys, sa mga Bisaya o sa mga Tagalog, naiintindihan niyo kami.
Pero sa mga Englishero or Englishero,
Ako na lang mag-translate.
Kasi magaling siya mag-English. Kasi
Yar.
bata siya.
3 or 2 years old ako, nag-aaral na ako ng ABCD.
Wala pa.
Yung iba kasi, guys, sa mga Englishera to, because, guys, before I was like this, I was already, spelling and learning some stuff.
Anong stuff?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob.
But anyways, so yeah, and then I just listened to SpongeBob having his very, very good accent.
I thought it was your belly button.
Kayo, we listen, we don't judge.
Sabi ko quiet and true.
Ikaw naman.
One day kasi,
One day, she...
wait lang.
Sina-translate ko sa'yo.
Sige. One day, when I was a baby,
Child.
my first word is mama. Not
Bakit magiging pupo? Why would it be pupo, guys?
because yung iba, di ba yun
Yeah! Iba lang yun. Mga ibang tao din.
So, we listen,
We don't judge. Okay, so, when I got three slinkies, the first one got tangled, the second one broke, and the third one got unstable. So, today guys, sisirain ko and we listen and we don't judge.
One day kasi,
One day,
I was go to school na.
she was going to school now. I mean, not now. She was going to
Kasi
school.
Christmas party.
Because it's Christmas party.
Tapos, may nalala ko
And she remembered something suddenly.
I thought I was gonna be sad because I will never see my best friend.
Di may GC kayo, di ba?
Eh, di naman sila nagpapakalingan siya. And I suddenly don't cry.
We never cry.
I become happy because our classmate was so very naughty
Okay.
and so very makulit.
Very bad.
No, makulit.
Makulit. Ano?
Sabi mo bad.
Wait lang, iniisip ko yung
Naughty.
makulit.
Naughty.
Naughty, not naughty. Tapos?
Tapos nalala ko sa branding. Yung ngayon na palang yun ko,
Okay.
And we listen and we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge.
Ito naman.
So, guys, that day, nag-drawing ako. Tapos yung style ko, nag-drawing ako, diba? I draw something, but it was like a normal kid, like the stick man, but even worse. So I thought it was the art style called jelly style, or jelly art style.
We listen and we don't judge. Isang or one day, pinapanood ako sa TikTok.
Wait, dati nag-tiktok ka na.
When I was, yung nagkakaan.
When it was last time.
I suddenly watched how to make a gingerbread drawing.
Gingerbread, okay. Tapos?
Drawing.
Yes.
So, I copied it. So, I get a paper. And I just copied it.
Yes.
And then, he said, draw a stick man and any pose man was look not good.
It looked not good. Not very good.
Okay. So I suddenly get the paper and cramp it and throw it together.
We listen and we don't judge. So, guys. So, my mom was listing some stuff. And then, no.
Ano?
Yung mga numbers.
Sige.
And then, I took the pen that she was using for that and wrote, haha, I drew on your notebook. We listen and we don't judge.
One day, my classmate, joke lang ako yun. Nag-drawing ako sa
She drew some on a notebook.
on my notebook,
Yes.
on extra notebook, because I was doing that time.
Yes. Tapos.
And I drew some cats.
And
It was so ugly. So I threw it to the trash can when I go home.
we listen and we don't judge. So, guys, ano dati? I have a tumbler. And then it tumbling around. It's not because it's called tumbler. It just roll around on the floor. And then when my mom was washing, she found a crack on the tumbler. So yeah, we listen and we don't judge.
So one day, I am building some Lego, and I suddenly don't remember what I'm making, and I said, what am I making? A camera, a house, a bag. So I just took the camera. When I was 4 years old or 3 years old, I had that
Yeah.
Lego, I think so. It looks like a Lego, but it's Lego.
Okay.
So we just bought that.
Blocks.
3. Yeah, blocks. And when I was 3 or 4, I built some camera. A
Yeah.
beautiful camera. But now I can make it. We listen and
And we don't judge. So guys, my brother was building Lego, and then I accidentally stepped on it, and then he pushed me because he needed that Lego part, and then I tripped, and then the electric fan got pushed or galaw para sa mga Pilipino yun. But anyways, we listen and we don't judge. Okay.
So one day, I'm crying because I was on top.
Yes.
I'm always watching that.
Yes. Ano pinapanood mo?
When you step on Lego, it gets hurt on your toes.
Feet. Or foot.
So I tried it out. I just one piece of Lego and block. And I just stepped it out and I say, not even that good. So good.
Eh kasi blocks yun. Pag Lego talaga masakit.
We listen and we
Don't judge. So guys, gumawa ako ng cinema. I made a cinema out of Legos, but it looked nothing like a cinema, and my brothers they made fun of it, and then I just broke it to pieces and then cried. But we never cry. We listen and we don't judge.
One day when I go to school, my teacher, dun sa kami ko, it was a boy. And I was so angry at her.
Him, kasi lalaki.
So because I'm angry at all with her.
Why? because she was so naughty and noisy. He naughty. he was naughty and he was so noisy. And one day when I go to school, in the morning, of course, not in the middle of the night, when we just writing, I saw him just like this, at her chair, he just did that, and she fell down at the ground, and she cried. We never cry, and the teacher, and she was so crying really. And she was crying so much. So my teacher said, why are you doing that? Sabi niya, ba't mo yan ginagawa? Kaya ka nadadapa lagi. And we listen and we don't judge. Why am I putting so many foundations? Because I get to cook stone or cobblestone. We listen and we don't judge. My classmate's name is Sky. Yeah. She was playing. Dancing. I don't know why. Is he even a boy? She was talking to her seatmate. Yeah. And one day, I saw him dancing just like this. She was ganon. She was twirling her hip. When he was going to her seat with the picture cup, she was fell like that. Ayo. Oh wait, I don't know why. He always fell off the ground, and he was so happy even. We listen and we don't judge. Go. One day, me and my mother was playing a game. What game? Who is it? Okay. You have to guess your other player's character. Ano tawag doon? Ayun. And then I accidentally flipped the card of my character, and then she saw it, and then saan ba kasi yun? And then parang frame. Yung parang may picture. Ayan. So, and then she won easily, and then I cried, but we never cry. So this is the new me. We listen and we don't judge. So one day when I go to school, and it was uwian, of course we go home, and we go to the Alfamar to buy some medicine. I don't know why. And I saw my teacher's daughter. Hindi, son. The older one. I don't know where is the youngest one. And we listen and we don't judge. The youngest is grade 6. I think so. Okay. We listen and we don't judge. Go. Hindi, wait lang, babe. Nasa-flood ako. Is it sponge? Ginagamit ko to. Paano i-delete to? But anyways, so I was watching this video about some kid liking her dad, and then she said that when her mom was going out for work, she hugged him. She hugged him and said, "I love you." And then the dad said, "I love you back." And then the girl asked in a romantic way. And then the dad pushed her away, saying, "Of course, no, I like you in a family way." And then the girl says, "But you always kiss me on the forehead and hug me." And he said, "In a family way, you are my daughter. That's why I always do that." And then the girl ran to her room and cried. But we never cry. We listen and we don't judge.
One day, I was too lazy to go to the bed. So I jumped to the bed or higaan. So I jumped. And I forgot to brush my teeth. So I said, I will do it later. And I ate something sweet.
Yeah.
Then after eating that, I go to bed and I
Yeah.
forgot to brush my teeth. So that's why you shouldn't forget to brush your teeth. We
Listen and we don't judge. There's no more of that because I have to post this right now. So, bye, guys!
Bye, guys!
Di tayo sumaway pero okay na yan. Bye, guys!